Hi, I'm Brad.
I'm Lesley.
Welcome to the Crow's Nest here in Siem Reap, Cambodia. We have a 2-floor apartment building, 11 rooms. It's perfect for volunteers who are coming here to Siem Reap to work with different NGOs. They can come here to a safe, quiet place that is just off the beaten path in a really lovely little village, but it is still only a 10-minute walk to Pub Street.
You can have the life of a local Siem Reap person, but you can get to any of the tourist stuff you'd want just a walk away. We also have an amazing outdoor workout space. It can be a yoga space, a meeting space, a meditation space. It's great for when you just want to sit out and read or do your own yoga practice or meditation practice.
We've been coming here for years, and we got this place a little over a year ago, specifically because we bring our own groups here on Pilates retreats and yoga retreats, and we wanted a place for them to stay. And so it just makes sense for others who are trying to do what we're doing to take our place over for a week. If you need a private chef for your event,
We have the best one.
we have the best one. She's a local Khmer lady who runs her own little restaurant, and when we come in, we hire her for the whole week, and she cooks for us right here for our team. We have a full-time management company, an on-site manager, 2 cleaning ladies. Each of our rooms are set up as individualized apartments. So each of them has a kitchen, a big living space, can be for 2 people or 1. They have a mini refrigerator, and they have AC that is wonderful.
Wonderful.
And each room also has a ceiling fan, 2 twin beds that can be pushed together to make 1 king-size bed. Each unit has its own bathroom. We have a place on the property for parking bicycles or motos or even cars. The gate locks every night. At 5 p.m. the lights turn on, the garden lights. They go throughout the length of the property, so it's very well lit. And the front gate, as you can see, is pretty solid, and it's got a big lock on it. Our manager here makes sure it's unlocked in the morning and locked at night. The value of staying here at Crow's Nest is that you are going to get a little bit of modernization, but still feel like you're in a quiet village with some lovely Khmer neighbors, and you are not in a boring hotel just like any other hotel anywhere else. This place definitely feels like it is Cambodian in style, but we have still amenities for
Some modern luxuries we all need.
Yeah. Coming here to Siem Reap, to Crow's Nest, is really an amazing experience, and we keep coming back because we love it so much, and we think that you're going to love it too.
Yeah.
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 Just, woo! Red ants.
Ah, they're all over you.
I'm getting bit. Okay, quickly.
Okay,
Take 2.
take 2.